Alright, I'm going to start off by priming my lids with this LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. And I'm just going to pat and blend that in with the Morphe G34 brush. Next, I'm going to take this Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder, and this is a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm only going to pat that powder into my brow bone area, so when I go to apply shadows and blend up, they blend seamlessly. Now we're going to go into the BH Studio Pro Ultimate Neutrals palette. This is what she looks like, and we're going to go ahead and take that orange sherbet kind of shade with the Morphe E27, and I'm just going to blend that into my transition area. Next, I'm going to go into these two sort of coppery rust shades. Okay, we're going to work that directly into the crease with the Morphe M518 brush. We're sticking to warm vibes. We want this to be very warm, very bronzy, very sultry, very sexy. Dedicated. And next I'm going to dibble and dabble into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. She is so beautiful, girl. I'm going to go into the shade Sienna, which is another kind of deep rust coppery shade. And I'm just going to blend that right over top of the other rusty shades we use just to deepen it up a tad. And that is the same Morphe M518 brush. Next, I'm going to go into Cypress Umber. A beautiful name, honey. Okay, this is a Morphe R41 brush, and I'm just going to define my crease and work that directly into my crease, honey. I'm just going to go ahead and go back in with that Morphe M518 just to diffuse the edges of the defined crease because we don't want it to be too blunt, too harsh, too sharp. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take the same concealer we used to set our lids or whatever, prepare our lids. And this is a Morphe M508 brush, and we're just going to halfway cut our crease as well as add a little finesse tail, if you will, okay? This was very much inspired by P. Louise's work. If you guys follow UK makeup artists, they're so talented. P. Louise, Stacey Marie MUA, M. Mitchell. I was very much inspired by them. I'm going to go into this shade Bronze in the same Soft Glam palette with the same Morphe M508 brush. And I'm just going to pack that onto where I cut my crease. And let me tell you, girl, about the Soft Glam shimmers. They don't even need water. They don't need setting spray. You don't need to fluff them up a little bit to get them to be opaque. They are so buttery and so pigmented. Next, I'm going to go into Noir and Cypress Umber. This is like a Morphe lip brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and define my cut crease. This will make the cut crease pop and look more dimensional. And with that same brush, I'm just going to go ahead and try to diffuse the edges of where I added that sort of dark brown black color, because we don't want it to be harsh. And this is a BH Cosmetics brush. I would have linked the brush set, y'all, but I just found out it's discontinued because I tried to find her and I couldn't. I'm so sorry. Anyways, we're going to do some very dramatic liner, honey. So this is the NYC liquid liner. You can't get this anymore. It's very much discontinued. This is just what I've had left since it got discontinued, girl. I'm so sorry, but just get you some liquid liner. And I'm just going to create a very dramatic wing. I already have a winged liner tutorial up on my channel, so go ahead and check that out if you want to. I'm going to go back into Noir, and I'm going to pat that over where I placed the liner, so she is a little bit more blendable when we get to the part of smoking out the liner. And this is a BH Cosmetics pencil brush and a liner brush. Next, I'm going to take my Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer in the shade SX09, and this is a Morphe E43 brush, and I'm just going to clean up and sharpen my wing because we want her sharp. Off camera, I already did my face, so I'm taking this MAC a feline eye kohl, and I'm just going to tight line my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line. You can see my eyes, they be looking crazy when I be doing this, y'all. And now I'm going to go back into that same menorah shadow in the ABH Soft Glam palette with this BH Cosmetics angled liner brush. And we're going to pat that over top of where we tight line. And then we're going to begin diffusing it out. This is so sultry. Like, this is so sexy. This is a look, honey. And this is a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. And I'm going to start blending out this black. I'm just going to work a little bit at a time because we don't want a black eye. Because black can get crazy real quick, y'all. Black can make you look a mess real quick, so you got to be careful. You got to work in sessions. And I'm taking those same two coppery rust shades that we used in our crease just to diffuse the black out a little bit more. And I'm going to pop on these lashes by Adorned by Shay. I will link them down below. I'm going to take this shade Glistening with the Sigma E30 brush and highlight our inner corner. And this about sums up the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. She's very sexy. She's very sultry, honey. Like, wow. And let me tell y'all, I thought this was gonna flop, but I'm so glad that I thought to smoke out the liner because now this is very much a look, honey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Mia Melanin. Thank you so much, girl, for having my post notifications on and always showing me support and love. I appreciate you so much. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, be sure to hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. Ensure you are subscribed to my channel, of course, and tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.